Loose gravel in your gravel patio totally messes with stability and comfort, but you can fix it without breaking the bank or hiring a crew. So, first off, you want to keep that gravel from shifting all over the place. One easy way is to add stabilizing agents like resin or polymer binders that lock the stones together but still let water drain through. Another trick is edging. Putting in borders made from wood, metal, or stone helps keep the gravel contained and stops it from spilling out onto walkways. When you lay down your gravel, start with a solid base layer, like crushed rock or decomposed granite, to give everything a sturdy foundation. Also, compacting the base with a tamper or roller makes a big difference in stopping movement later on. Make sure you rake the gravel regularly to redistribute loose stones evenly and prevent patches that cause sinking or wobbling. If you notice certain spots getting extra loose, add fresh gravel there to keep things level. And finally, avoid super small gravel pieces that tend to scatter more. Medium-sized gravel usually stays put better. One of the biggest issues people face with gravel patios is poor drainage, which causes puddles and messes up stability. To fix this by ensuring your base layer slopes away from your house and using materials that drain well. Another common mistake is skipping the edging, so gravel just escapes and makes your patio look sloppy. Adding a sturdy border solves this fast. Lastly, not compacting the base properly leads to sinking or unevenness over time, so always pack down each layer firmly before adding more gravel. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking homeowners up with reliable local contractors who know their stuff. Plus, it helps contractors find good work without the usual hassle of chasing leads all day.